Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz. I post 4 beauty related videos a week and we are just doing a load of unboxing at the moment. I might try and spread them out a little bit, but we are going to be opening the I Heart Revolution Cherry Revolution box set. It's not a box set, gift set. And this looks like a bauble. It is tin. It was £20 and I did use a discount when I got it. Now this, because I've got fake nails, is so hard to open. So I kind of just pull the top string and hope for the best. There we go. When you open it, you are greeted with some products. So obviously, because this is a chocolate cherry gift set, everything has like this pinky red colour to it, which I am very, very happy for, because the cherry palette is one of my favourite chocolate palettes. Not tasty, just the chocolate palettes, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, let's just dive straight in. So you're greeted with this little palette here. If you know me, you know how much I love these little palettes. They are absolutely gorgeous, and this one just looks like this. Now you get a nice little pink shade there, which is more like a berry, pink shade. Then you get like a brighter pink here, you get a blue, an orange, a brown, a gold and a peachier shade. So you get some nice colours in here. You could do a nice little look. And these usually retail, I want to say, for like £6–7. Obviously we got to swatch some of these. These are soft, but they're not as soft as the Mini Forever Flawless palette. I remember the mattes in that were incredible. But oh, look at that, that was a purple. I didn't even realise it's not even a blue, that's a purple. Wow, look at that. That is incredible. Obviously let's try the gold. I've got to swatch the gold. Oh, is that more of a topper? Hold on. There we go. Like a inner corner highlight shade. I like that. That is a really nice palette. And this is called the Sour Cherry palette. Then you get a lip gloss. Now this lip gloss is in the shade Chocolate, is it? Oh, it doesn't have a name anywhere, so I guess it does say chocolate on it. I don't know, maybe that is the name, maybe not. Oh, it's a nice raspberry shade, look at that. That literally matches the gift set really, really well. It's got like a raspberry smell to it. I actually like that smell. A lot of these things in these gift sets are giving me like childhood memories. So this smells like one of those, do you remember those footballs that you could smell? They used to be either blue, red, and it would smell like a fruit, like a blueberry or a strawberry. Kind of gives me that vibe. Then you get another spray. I'm actually excited for these sprays because I love the spray in the XX gift set. It was so hydrating, so it set my face really nicely. There wasn't gold particles in it and it made me look more glowy and all set. So I actually love that spray, and because I've already put 2 sprays on today, I'm not going to put this spray on. But this is the Chocolate Cherry Fixin' Spray. Ooh. I don't think I'm smelling anything. There's a sweet smell to it, but not an overpowering sweet smell. And you get, what, 100 mils in this, so that's quite good, to be fair. I've got it on my nose now. But it's got like a nice sweet smell to it, and I'm actually excited to use this. I'm really excited for setting sprays. I never used to, but now I love them. I actually know that they do something to your makeup. So please, if you haven't got a setting spray, go out and invest in definitely an XX one, because they're one of my favourites. This is probably going to be a short video because there's only 4 products, but all 4 products are amazing. So you get this black cherry eyeshadow palette, and that is the main reason, I just love eyeshadows, that I had to get this palette. Now you get some nice purples and pinks. You got your neutrals down here, like a peachier shade here, a green, like a brown. You've got some nice shades in here to make a nice eye look. So this is 15% mattes and 50% shimmers because it's 8 and 8 ratio, which I'm really impressed with. I like when there's a really nice ratio of mattes to shimmers, because usually there's too many shimmers and not enough mattes, but you've got a nice array here because you've really got some nice like neutrals down the bottom, and then that burgundy shade. You know I love a shade that is like this. Look at that. Alright, I probably swatched it too hard, but that is a really nice shade. Let's swatch another one. Let's try that purple. And the reddy shade was called Hot Chocolate, and the purple one is called Pie. They are swatching really nice. Then we've got, let's try this one, Brandy. It's a bit more drier formula. Wow. Did you guys see that? That was incredible. Let's let's do Tipsy over here. I'm sorry, now I'm getting into these swatches. Okay, that's not as good as that shade here that we just swatched called Brandy, but is a nice shimmer. I just think the shade of Brandy is really unique and really lovely. So yeah, these usually retail for about £8.99, £9. So that's nearly half the gift set. The eyeshadow palette is always worth majority of the gift set, and I got the gift set, there was a discount, I think the 25% one, so that would have been what, 15 quid. Wow, this is over half of what I paid for the gift set. And then you get this little bad boy, which is usually about £6, so that's you making up your money back with these eyeshadow palettes. These are basically just free. Do I think this gift set is worth £20? Of course. Do I think you should wait for a discount? Of course. But this would make a perfect gift for a teenager. You've got everything in there. You've got a lip gloss, you've got a fixing spray, 2 eyeshadow palettes, and especially someone who likes their more darker tones, this would be the perfect gift set for them. You could give it to a friend, like you don't have to give it to a teenager. You could literally give it to one of your adult friends, because I get excited and I've got this. It's such a nice price gift set, £20 for these 4 products, and it's packaged so nicely. I would be excited if I got this gift set, and I do think it's worth the money. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. What do I do with this?